Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT with the 3-liter Duramax. So, it's a 3-liter inline 6 turbocharged diesel. It's a pretty cool motor. I definitely like it. Total price on this one is $50,060. Black over jet black, 10-speed automatic. Nice little motor. Go ahead and take a look at it. It's a good sized turbo. All right. Where's the wipers? Freaking pollen. Going on down the hill. No hill descent control on this one, but really doesn't need it. Not bad at all. So, as with any diesel engine, it's happy down low, below 3,500 RPMs. It will rev out, yes, but it really makes its peak power down low, which, if you think about it, is perfect for this kind of truck. Because where are you going to be spending most of your time? Down in the lower RPMs. And when you're towing or hauling, you don't want to have to rev out the truck all the time. It's just really not good for it. Whereas here, it's just perfectly happy at those lower RPMs. It doesn't have to rev to the moon. It's just complacent. It's nice. It's getting busy out here. It was dead in the morning. Now we're starting to get slammed. Good thing I'm going home after this one. the sales guys don't like when I take cars away from them. It really doesn't make sense to if we have a ton of customers. What an awesome truck. Honestly, I'm not just saying that because I'm working here. It's an awesome truck. At first I was a skeptic, but I get it now. These are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.